What's up, y'all? Check this out. Picked up this Traeger Pro 780. Oh. Alright, I just want to show this. Looks like the lid of the box is, you can see in there, it's actually designed to become like a little playhouse, which is awesome. So what you do is, and I'll, if I can get it done, I'll incorporate it at the end of this vid, but basically carefully open the box and flip it inside out type of thing and build your kid's little playhouse thing. That's kind of cool, just FYI. Don't tear up that top lid if you want to do that. Alright, got all the parts out, inventoried, inspected, make sure nothing's damaged. Come with some nice instructions and little tools from Traeger. Well, hardware mostly. Everything's labeled really nice. First step, handle on. Alright, for the handle, you have these mica washers, and you have a smaller flat washer and the screw. You want that black flat washer on the screw head. And the mica washer is going to go between the grill and the handle to help dissipate that heat so it doesn't transfer into the handle. At least that's the idea. Get these started. Snug them down from the inside. Alright, next up, gotta roll this on its back, or upside down actually, put the legs on. Recommends 2 people. First I'm gonna tape down these lids so they're not flipping and flapping on me, just in case. Try to use a side board, keep it from rolling on me. Leverage. Alright, what's cool is these legs are all color coded. So there's different colors. You know which one goes with which. Alright, bolt, the washer, another flat washer, spring washer, also called a lock washer, and the nut, repeat, and use the provided tools and tighten it up. Repeat for each leg. Alright, next step, we got to install the little braces on the legs. There are inserts in there and it uses the E bolt. And get them all started and tighten them up. Repeat for the front set of legs. Alright, got all the legs on, braces attached. Now I just need to flip it back over. They recommend 2 people. I actually recommend doing it, rotating it as you're looking at it clockwise. I can't do that with just me. I don't want to damage in that pellet box, so I'm going to try to gently use the leverage of the legs and lift it up, and hopefully I don't damage anything, especially my back. My legs. Alright, next up is the stack. Don't forget your gasket. F, G, and H is the hardware, so a little bolt with a washer. We'll go ahead and start that. If I start into that gasket. Same for this other side. Make sure I got my gasket holes aligned. Washer and nut on the inside. Use the provided Traeger tools, why not? Snug both of these down. I don't want to just absolutely just crush this thing. Alright, the little cap, it's already got a lock nut set where they want it, so you just basically are threading this down. Like so. Give it a little snug. There it is. Alright, time for the lid handle. Still the same way as that little handle. Oops, just dropped my bolt. But you got these, dropping everything. Got these mica washers will go between the handle and the grill to help dissipate that heat. And from the inside we have a bolt and a flat washer. Sorry about the lighting, clouded up on me, and we got rain coming in. Get this one started. It's nice they made these, the holes in the grill slotted, help you line everything up. Alright, snug them both up. We got a handle. Alright, next step, it says to make sure your heat baffle's in there. Mine's already in place. Goes in pretty easy. This drip tray can greased up, so I don't know if you're supposed to season it like that or what, but there's a slot over here. It's hard to see, and there's a slot over there. Big end is going to go over here. Small lip over on the right side of the Traeger. Just go straight down in. Line up the slots. There it is. Pretty easy. It's going to drip that way. And you got your little drip can. They did include a couple of, get it out of there, a couple of these disposable drip liners. Pretty nice. It's not a perfect fit, but I guess it doesn't have to be. But it does have that Traeger on there. That's pretty nice. I know there's aftermarket little drip liners where you can just take it out and throw it out type of deal. Right there. Alright, let's get these grates in. Back. Should have lifted that by myself. Alright, hopper grate. It goes in like this. It's going to be angled. There are two screws down in here. It's probably hard to see. Pull those out and screw it in to that guy. Just in case. I'm going to put a little cover down in there, a little plastic, so this freaking screw with my fingers, butterfingers, doesn't drop down in there. that feeding mechanism. Alright, I'm going to pull that out. Just be real careful now. Careful. Probably could have left that plastic in there and fished it out, but just did it carefully. Yes. Alright, got it assembled just in time. Did not use it because of the thunderstorms. Ooh. Oh, you. Yo. Come on, F-150. Survive another one. Come on. Oh, dang. Not too big yet. Dime to nickel looks like.